Selain itu, laga uji tanding juga jadi evaluasi tim serta untuk melihat karakter para pemain termasuk perkembangan kebugaran para pemain setelah menjalani serangkaian latihan fisik. Juru taktik asal Portugal atau pelatih PSM saat ini berharap performa tim Laskar Pinisi terus meningkat sebelum kompetisi bergulir. Selain Liga Domestik, PSM Makassar juga akan tampil di AFC Cup mewakili Indonesia bersama Bali United.
But the target was to see the players, the characteristics of them, see some players that are on trial, of course improve the fitness. For us it's very important this kind of games, because I know that normally these teams gonna defend more, so we need to change quickly side of the ball, to make overlaps. It's the first match, we have time to work the things.